my crazy family, RL Gaming here, and today we will be playing Hayday. So Hayday is basically a game where you are on a farm and you have to do stuff. Okay, let's continue into the game. Also, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you like my video, please like and you can share it if you want. So yeah, we're starting. So this is the cutscenes. Look at that. I have been playing this game before, but I wanted you to see as well. So, you will watch this video. There's gonna be more parts, okay? I swore I just heard something. Okay, whatever. So who's excited for this game? If you are excited, please like. I'm in my room. I'm actually not prepared that I'm not really prepared, so you could hear a lot of background noise. Yeah. Oh god, okay. Don't need to read that. I think there's an ad. Okay, I'm connecting to it. Okay. Is the game starting yet? Okay. Gaming. So. Okay, yeah. I don't know. Put RL Gaming, right? R.L. Gaming. There you go. Okay, now. Okay, who cares? Google, okay, who cares? I don't care. Okay. Howdy, I'm Mr. Wicker, and I'll help you get started on your new farm. Okay. Okay, let's start harvesting! Who's excited? We don't really need to listen to the music, do we? No, we don't. Okay, so tap a wheat field and pick up the sickle. Then harvest by dragging it across the wheat. Okay, that's pretty easy. Can I kill you? You teleported! He's an alien! It's an alien! Area 51, where are you when we need you? Okay, tap an empty field, then drag wheat over the fields to plant seeds. Okay, pretty simple. Seeds need time to grow. When harvested, each field produces 2 crops. So they multiply. Okay, let's paint this. Tab, okay. Paint this. Let's paint this. Let's paint that. Okay there. We have painted our house farm mill thingy. Great. Now let's invite some featured friends to the party. Feathered. Oh, okay. I didn't see that properly. Buy 3 chickens. Apparently we buy chickens. Okay. Bang. 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 I hate how this game needs you to drag. Okay, let's feed the chickens, because they look like they're dead. Okay. Okay. Wow, there's 2 chickens in together. Bang. Okay. There you go. Tap a chicken, and then tap the speed up button twice. Okay, so gems, okay. Okay. Collect the eggs, yeah. I know. I'm pretty sure this is more easier than... Well, I am 100% sure that this is more easier than real farms. Congratulations, you're now a level 2 farmer. Okay, who cares about farms? We have a visitor! Tap him to see what he has to say. Okay, I don't need to know what my name is. Ryan does games or RL Gaming. No. Gaming. Okay. Good to see someone taking care of the place. Well, see you around. Okay, bye. Go away now. Nice. About turning all this wheat into bread with a new bakery. Okay, yeah, it's boring stuff. Bang. Bang. Okay, just go away. I really need instructions. Okay. Okay, yay. Okay. Happy animals make a happy farm. Make sure your animals never go hungry by building a feed mill. I did read that backwards. So, good job, Ryan. Okay. Nope. Move that. Bang. Bang. Yep. Should we? Yeah, farm. This is it's so stressed. Okay, whatever. It stressed me out to like hold and drag because like it's so like I don't really like it. Okay, hi. Okay, so there's a person that's gonna steal my food probably. Another visitor better ask that what's on her mind. Okay, what do you want, bread? Is that wonderful smell coming from over here? Oh, but where are my manners? My name is Joanne. Okay. Bread, yeah. Okay, do I care? Business is booming. Keep harvesting the fields, baking bread, and producing eggs for sale. Okay, bye. Open that up. Do I have the stuff to do that? No, okay. So, what is this? 7, 18, 34, 17, 27. Okay. So now what? Do I harvest that? Bleep. Yay, okay. What is that? It's a truck, yay. A truck. So excited to see a truck. I'm not sure if that's the way to drive. Whatever, who cares? Beep beep! The delivery truck has arrived. Get ready for a flood of orders. Okay, yeah. It isn't really a flood because there's only one. Okay, this to kindergarten. What do they need eggs? Can't they buy that themselves? There she goes. The delivery truck is now on its way to the kindergarten. Who cares about children? Well, I am a child as well, but who cares? So I gotta wait now. Yay, I love waiting. Totally not being sarcastic. Okay. We're gonna put more wheat. Beep beep. Okay, let's get that and put that on. Okay. You are really getting the hang of this. For now, keep on farming and completing orders. So this is basically it for the first part of Hayday. So if you like the video, please like and share. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Till next time, bye! P.S. I'm live streaming on Wednesday. Bye! Peace out. Okay.